Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to run any command when you double tap or triple tap the back of your phone. But before we get started, I do not know if this works for older phones. Someone told me that this only works for the newer SE and all the other phones that don't have a home button, but this is what it looks like. I just double tapped my phone and then it went to YouTube. I'll be showing you a video that's not a screen recorded video to show proof at the end. But first, let me just tell you how to do it. First, just head over to settings and then scroll down until you see accessibility. Now, just click on touch. It'll be closer to the top. You might think it's excessive touch, but you have to scroll all the way down to back tap. Now, this is what you can change it to. I changed double tap to a shortcut. With shortcuts, you can do basically anything. You can open any app, send a message, just through a shortcut. So for me, I just changed double tap to open YouTube. But for triple tap, I have nothing. What I'm gonna do is just make so triple tap would send a message. So just go to shortcuts and then make a new shortcut. I'm just gonna add the action of sending a new message. So just search up messages and it'll be there, and then send message. Now I'm just gonna put in a message and then I'm gonna send it to myself. Then click show more and make sure show when run is off. Now just click on next and then add a name to your shortcut and then done. Now go back to settings and then triple tap and then scroll down all the way until you see shortcuts. I'm gonna add my test shortcut, and when I triple tap, it'll show that message. And now I will show you a video in real life. And for more proof, I'm just going to triple tap the back of my phone and then it'll send the message. Like right now, so it worked. And that is all. There's way more you can do with this feature. You can just go look through it in settings, or you can make your own shortcut and then play it with the double tap of your phone. It's just really cool. Please leave a like and subscribe if it worked, and turn on notifications so you never miss another video.